Is that a novel idea? No.
Right. Because it also...
Yes, and the musicians.
And the musicians. So the entire creative side, the artistry, versus a famous judge.
Yeah. Hey everyone, Jason Catron here.
I'm Katie Talbot.
And we are Vocal Lab
Collective.
Were you doing your yoga? What was that?
Does this look like yoga?
Listen, you do all kinds of bizarre things that you say are normal, and they're not.
But you know what's not bizarre? Hitting that subscribe button, following us on Facebook, Instagram. We're very funny on Instagram.
We are.
I will tell y'all that. TikTok. Working on it.
Yeah. YouTube. Where we are right now.
Just subscribing, right?
Well, they may not be subscribed. Right?
Hit it. It's red.
Follow me on that Spotify, where you can also hear me and Katie, because we did a little Christmas song together. We did a little ditty. You can go back and watch the video. It's very cute. Let us know if you want to hear anything else. Yeah.
And then our Patreon, as well as you guys, we got a 4-week masterclass for all singers all around the world.
Oh, do we
take your voice from the bedroom to the stage. Wherever you are now, we take you to where you want to go.
Wow. Cheers to that.
You know, I'm out of breath, but it's great.
It is a fantastic program. So check out all the things. Hey, and let me just say this.
Say it.
Whether it's us or anyone else you follow and watch, be it on YouTube or on Spotify or anything, the best thing you can do as a fan and a follower of what they do.
It's free to do.
It's free. Is subscribe, if
share.
That's a thing. Share, like sharing on Instagram is huge. Clicking the little thing on Instagram to notify. Any of that stuff. Anyone you love and follow, just click on all the things.
Yes. Because
we live in a world today of algorithms, and it's really what feeds the machine. And so all of us creators are out here in the world. That includes us. Yeah. Even though we react to creators, we are our own creators.
We are our own creators.
We really do live and die by each of you coming along for the journey.
Yeah, and we don't want to die.
No, we want to live.
We want to thrive.
We really want to live.
Help us thrive.
She's close, guys. You better hit that subscribe button.
Oh my gosh. I'm like, what are you doing with this?
Hey. You're almost gone.
You're all like doctor today.
I am. What do you mean? I am, right. And let's just hope you don't give birth, because if you do, I'm out that door. Hey, how cool would that be if Katie gave birth live on camera? Can we plan that?
Hey, if she's ready to
we're gonna do lives.
There's no way I'm trying to keep her up here.
We're gonna plan to do lives the entire week of your birth week.
Oh my gosh.
Can you imagine?
Could you imagine you? I've done it before.
Oh yeah, you're right. I haven't.
Could you imagine you?
No.
You would faint.
I would.
You would gag.
I was afraid to walk and close the gate in my
loafers. I might invite you to my birth just to watch you. So
yes, hey, let's get to a video, Katie.
We're going back to Coke Studios.
Yeah, we love some Coke Studio. You ready for this?
Ready for it.
These are always now. Oh, wow. These are always so good. Coke Studio.
Coke Studio.
Season 14.
14. We've been in season 14 before.
We sure have.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Kana Yaari. I like the tassels. Whoa!
Come on.
Ooh, this is cool.
What?
He looks like one of my friends from here.
The instruments are so beautiful.
So beautiful.
What?
I love this house.
This set is amazing.
The Coke placement, see that? Clever.
Come on. Stop.
What? This girl is insane. That whole thing is so cool.
So cool. Wow. So good.
She is so good.
Wow, I'm blown away.
Love that part. The texture of the colors on these walls and the lighting.
It's incredible.
It really is.
It's taken us into their world. So great.
I love
I'm
this.
mesmerized. I'm
Me
just
too.
mesmerized.
I love this juxtaposition of the traditional with the current.
Yeah.
That's really, really cool.
Yeah, very good point there. Oh my gosh, look at her shoes.
They're all actually in the same room. That's so cool.
Wow.
Whoa! Come on, Coke
Holy
Studio.
cow.
Coke Studio.
We've not applauded
We have
in
never
a
applauded.
while.
Maybe ever, have we?
I don't know.
Yeah, maybe once or twice.
I feel like we have before,
That was clap worthy.
I'm blown away.
That was
What
so
a performance.
cool. Yes.
Everything, every aspect was so fun. I want to see more.
I know. I feel like that's also maybe what people think our house looks like. Our house is. We don't live together.
Yeah.
People think we do.
They do.
Our house is.
Are y'all married?
People think our houses look like that maybe, where we just play instruments in every room.
No, yeah.
Right?
Just this room.
Just this room.
We can give a tour of it.
No, that was really, really so cool. There are so many levels, so many layers, from colors to sounds to, like I said, old and new.
Yeah.
Like the most current of current. Her rap was like...
She's insane. That was so fun.
That was really fun. His vocal, all the vocals were just like stellar.
I love where their voices sit. In the placement of their voice. I love where it sits because it's just so, it's how they talk.
Yeah, which is that's what we do in our own American or Western English culture too. We sing where we talk from typically.
Yeah,
it's really
but I
good.
feel like we here in the U.S. we try to overdo too much,
most often,
right?
yeah.
And so I love how he just his voice is just his talking
Yeah,
voice.
it's very, very like in a casual space.
And it's so smooth.
So
and it's so
smooth.
inviting
So
too. And then
smooth, yeah.
hers just, I mean, come on, girlfriend.
I love
on,
Coke Studio.
girlfriend.
I really do.
Me too.
I wish we had something like this in the States. I mean,
I agree.
I know we have American Idol and The Voice and all that stuff, but that's just all about judges.
It is all about the judges.
And I would love
when
just
this
something that highlights the
artist
artist.
and the musicians.
Is that a novel idea? No.
Right. Because it also...
Yes, and the musicians.
So the entire creative side, the artistry, versus a famous judge.
Yeah.
I mean, obviously we'll be the famous judges, but we like it to be about the artist.
Yes, we do.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, this was fun.
This was so fun.
That was fantastic.
What do you have to say?
Well, I was just going to say...
What's on your heart?
Well, it was just, again, to help us be more famous, hit all those buttons. Just hit all those buttons. Subscribe away. We all do it. We're not going to email you. That's the beautiful part about it.
It is very true. We're not
Right?
going to spam you.
You don't get spammed, so just...
I hate that spam.
Just help us out.
Yeah. Share, like,
Share
subscribe.
all of it. Until next time, I am Jason Catron.
I'm... Okay, doubt it.
And we are Vocal Lab Collective.
There's nothing to do with Talbot.
No.
Thank you.